Our pilots today who flying these beautiful 3D aircraft, and again, gravity defying. Look at that beautiful hover there. Kyle Mensing, Carson Nagshane, and Adam Woodworth. They're flying a 3D hobby shop Slick 540, a Slick 51, and an Extreme Flight 60-inch laser. Again, these are all flying with electric power systems made out of balsa and covered to provide high strength and lightweight.
Okay, up next we have quadcopters. These are sort of helicopters with 4 different rotors, and they'll be doing some aerobatic maneuvers and then later racing, but you can see that they can go at a very quick rate. Most quadcopters don't fly this fast for filming and drone type activities, but here they are doing it.